This is Cajun Hacketeer's submission to the AT&T Empower Hackathon. And in the hackathon's case of creating an engaging digital experience for consumers that will help AT&T increase its 5G and fiber footprint, we decided to create a website that showcases and markets a unique art application titled Dynamic Sketch.
This is our website for Dynamic Sketch. We have an interactive photo that zooms in when you hover over it. We have our navigation bar that takes you to each section when you click on it. We have our mission statement that talks about making drawing accessible, easy to learn, and collaborative, but faster. We have our dynamic sketch section that details what our product does and how you can use it alone with friends. You can also see in-app tutorials and you experience less lag using AT&T's 5G fiber. We have our consumer benefits. We have our base plan and our premium plan to generate revenue. We have our community section, which focuses on how our app bridges the community together. We have our where to get dynamic sketch section that has a coming soon interactive button. We have our news section and we have our about AT&T button if our users are more interested.
So in this website, we use technologies such as GitHub to share code, GitHub Pages, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. So in this website, we imported a lot of things in the head, such as the style sheet, Bootstrap, favicon. We made things to make the mobile view more accessible. So in our CSS, we have some linear gradients that we use from AT&T's Color. We use two AT&T fonts. In the website, we have a navigation bar that we use from Bootstrap, as well as sections that will link with the navigation bar. Um, in some of the sections, we use the card group from Bootstrap that I imported. We also use some of the icons from Bootstrap and we added a gradient element to it so that it would use AT&T's colors. In the next section, we also use card blocks. And then in our community section, we use a carousel, which allows image to slide automatically or with user control. And then in our other sections, we also just had some buttons that were interactive and had a gradient, and another section that had another button that takes you to an AT&T page. Then last, we also have a footer that includes the AT&T Hackathon website as well as our GitHub website. And then at the bottom, we had a script that has the animate.js as well as the Bootstrap. And in our animate.js, this is just the JavaScript for all the elements to fade in.